Hello everyone, welcome back to another Dr. Twisted's Toy Time. This time I'm going to do a review for the Incredible Hulk Outcasts chainsaw figure. This is a pretty cool figure I picked up recently in a Facebook auction. So I wanted to open it up and share what it is all about. It's a gamma blasted desert mutants chainsaw with launching bat attack action. Pretty cool. It was made by Toy Biz in 1997. Very cool. Here's the back of the card. A little animated picture. How you do press down on skull base to launch Outcast Bat into flying attack. Creatures from the desert were caught in the gamma blast with Bruce Banner that transformed him into the powerful Incredible Hulk, causing once normal critters to become mutated themselves into strange-looking beasts. Powered by gamma radiation and ferocity, Chainsaw isn't interested in cutting down trees. She wants to bring down the Hulk. Wielding the weapon that is her name, Chainsaw can quickly cut through even the most reinforced steel doors, making it easy for her to get into or out of any situation. But Chainsaw may have met her match in the Hulk, because the Jade Giant's skin is stronger than any metal, and he's not about to stand still and let her cut him down to size. Pretty cool. And then here's the other figures in the line. This was just a really cool line. Just crazy concepts. I really want this one. It's the next on my Hulk Outcast collection that I will be hunting down. Alright, let's get this thing opened. This one's pretty easy to do with one hand, actually. Card wasn't even, or the bubble wasn't even really on there all that much. Back when they didn't fasten everything down with 50 million twisty ties. Alrighty, let's get a good look at this bat guy. This thing is awesome. This is an awesome little figure in and of itself. Cool details. Lovely face. Pretty awesome. Let's closer look at the skull base. Like spider on there, a rat, and a snake, another spider, another rat under there. Pretty cool. Cool little skull. And then I guess you put the bat on there like so. Let's see. You're supposed to. Pretty fun little feature. Now onto the actual figure herself. She's pretty cool. Got this long hair. Love how she's mixed with cybernetic stuff going on. Love my cyborgs. So she's got this claw hand here, which looks like each individual finger, except for the thumb, moves. These two fingers articulate. And it articulates at the wrist, at the elbow, and has like a shoulder. So that's pretty good articulation for 1997 right there. And this arm with the chainsaw, the shoulder, and the elbow. It'd be really cool if there was a little feature where the chainsaw moved, but it doesn't. It's stationary, but still cool for playability. And then looks like she's got articulation at the hips and the knees. It almost looks like she's got it at the waist too, but she's not spinning unless it's like really tight. 'Cause, I mean, it looks like there's a cut, but it could just be glued. I'm not sure. I'll have to play with it. A little hard to do with one hand, but she's a very cool figure. A crazy look on her face. Cool details on the chainsaw. Back when everybody had a ponytail. The Toy Biz ponytail era. Pretty cool. Very cool figure. She will look awesome in my collection. I can't wait to find more from this line. Hopefully I can at a good price. There you go, my friends. There was my Toy Biz 1997 Hulk Outcast chainsaw figure review. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you see any figures in the videos I pick up. If you want me to review them, I will try to do that for you. But stay tuned for more, because there is more coming up. Until next time, my friends. Peace.